New to Tripleseat Direct is the ability to create inquiry forms with custom set availability. Specialty availability forms will override location-wide availability set in your Tripleseat Direct hours settings and will apply the specialty availability only to the specific form you are creating. Specialty availability will come in handy for creating forms for unique holiday availability. Once created, you can add this form to your website, marketing emails, as well as your social media pages. Let's say our location has availability for Tripleseat Direct inquiries from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. However, we will allow for pickup orders until 2 a.m. on New Year's. Users with appropriate settings access will go into our Tripleseat Direct form settings and create a new form. The name of this form will be New Year's Eve Pickup Form. Check off the appropriate event styles that should be offered on this form, as well as the locations that should be selectable. If you are offering on-premise inquiries, be sure to check off the rooms that should be available for direct booking as well. If there will be unique branding for this form, you can upload custom banner images and logos here. Check off the menus that should be offered on your form, and adjust form text as needed. Under Specialty Availability, click off Enable Custom Availability. Here, you can set the dates that should be available for booking on just this form. This will default to today's start date with no end date. For this form's purpose, we are going to only select December 31st and January 1st. Under the hours of availability, we will enter times for Friday and Saturday. However, if the form you are creating has a larger date range of availability, be sure you set the hours for each day. First, we will add availability for Friday as 10 a.m. until 12 a.m. The start time increments we want to offer on this form will be 15 minutes, so the guests will have as many options as possible to submit their pickup time for. If you need, you can also add multiple sets of availability per day. For example, 10 a.m. until 1 p.m., and then reopening from 3 p.m. until 12 a.m. If Saturday we're going to have the exact same availability as Friday, we could quickly copy Friday's availability by clicking here. However, we are going to add a new availability and set it from 12 a.m. until 2 a.m. Detail out the rest of your form as needed and click Save. Once created, click View Live Page to the right of your form, and you will be brought to the live version of this form. Here we're looking at exactly what your customer will see when they come to your Tripleseat Direct form. You can now be sure that the form is showing exactly as you'd like it, and when you are ready for this form to go live, copy and paste the URL to add to your marketing email blasts or your social media pages. If you would like to add this form to your website, click Setup Code to the right of the form in Settings and grab the hosted code for your web developer to add to your site. Once this form is added to your site by your team, guests will be able to submit a direct pickup order from December 31st at 10 a.m. until January 1st at 2 a.m. It's important to note that this form's availability will still respect blackout dates and calendar note blocks. Once the date range of this form has passed, be sure to remove the form from your website or edit the form settings to adjust the availability or menus that are offered. In our example, on January 1st, we would take this form off of our website or edit the form settings to now have specialty availability for our upcoming Super Bowl delivery promotion. If you have any questions or need help setting up your form, please reach out to our support team, support@tripleseat.com, or by clicking the Help Question button on the top right corner of any screen in Tripleseat.